As you can see in the background, we're here at Hope for Cambodian Women organization. And this is a phenomenal organization that actually really does help, particularly with educating younger ladies, or both men and women obviously, that are caught up in the garment industry. We heard today that they average earn about $205 a month, working astronomical hours. But of course, they can get caught up in all kinds of trafficking and, to make more money. And this is a great education program to help them get out of that and stay out of this. This is one of our partners for many years as well. Great couple that started it many years. You want to learn more, just go to their Facebook page or website, and we're going to go for a bit of a walk now around the area. So, God bless.
Are you okay?
So, what's over here, sorry?
The building, the rooms where they staying, the factory workers.
What is this, sorry?
Papaya salad. Khmer we call bok lahong. Yeah, some papaya and you have different vegetable. Yeah. Yummy. Yeah, maybe 2, 3. Yeah. Some people. Yeah.
So sorry, this is 2 or 3 people per apartment?
Well, I mean, it depends on,
With children.
Yeah, some with family, like small family. Yeah. And some people, they rent a room and stay by themselves. Yeah.
Wow.
Church is here.
Yeah, church over there. Okay. Food that they eat, especially before, after, their work. Yeah. It's convenient and easy here. Well, it's as you see, fish, and people, they come and, they like to eat, and they, grab it. It's easy, and, they don't have to cook after work, long day. Yeah. It's yummy as well. They will come and get some, food, get some fruit, vegetable, meat, and then they cook. Yeah.
When you teach them, and now you're starting to teach them, as they say, a little bit of computing. You said you do computing.
Wow.
New Hope Fellowship Church.
This is New Hope Fellowship Church.
Yeah.
Wow.
It started Pipuan Lambai Man 2018, but this new location has been like 2 years now. Yeah. We have different. No, I mean like we just moved to this place 2 years. Yeah.
Right hand, left hand, right leg, left foot, turn around, Father Abraham. Many sons have Father Abraham. I am one of them, and so are you. So let's all praise the Lord. He always listens to you. He's always there for you. Yes.
Okay, my friends, the boat is like me and you. We were once lost, going in one direction, and Jesus found us and He took us back home in the right direction.
He is giving me joy. so I can smile again
បើយើងអាចញញឹមសាជាថ្មី
and play again with my friends.
ហើយយើងអាចទៅលេងជាមួយមិត្តភក្តិរបស់យើងសាជាថ្មី
And
ដល់ឲ្យសក់ដល់ឲ្យសក់
show me your finger.
ឥឡូវសំឡឹងដៃមួយ
First outside,
បាទឥឡូវដាក់ដៃឆ្វេងខាងក្រៅ
then on top,
ហើយដល់មកខាងលើ
then inside.
ខាងក្នុង
Okay. When you finish up, you go down.
ហើយដល់មកដល់ខាងក្រៅ
Can you show me your black tooth? In the back. Okay.
Huh?
Let's show them. Turn
អូខេឥឡូវ
around.
បង្ហាញទៅ
So you put a bit on your finger. A bit.
បាទបន្តិចប៉ុណ្ណឹង
Then up.
ម៉ាស្សា
And then you massage.
ម៉ាស្សាកន្លែងឆ្វេងខ្មៅហ្នឹង
They can do it with a toothbrush when they're home.
យើងអាចដាក់នៅលើជ្រះក៏បានដែរនៅពេលដែលទៅផ្ទះវិញអាចដាក់នៅលើជ្រះហើយ អូខេឥឡូវ
Jesus.
តាមព្រះយេស៊ូវជានរណា
Okay, Jesus is my life. Can I get it?
តើអាចនិយាយអង់គ្លេសបានណា Jesus is my life.
What is this?
Okay, this take it. Bible. Okay.
The Bible is God's love letter to us.
ព្រះគម្ពីរគឺជាសម្បត្តិនៃសេចក្តីស្រឡាញ់សម្រាប់យើងទាំងអស់គ្នា
Ba đây.
បានគ្រប់គ្នាដែរ
Ba đây.
បាទពាក់ខោពាក់បាយចេះគ្រូជួយបិទភ្លើង just turn off the lights
What's for dinner, Teddy?
Huh?
What's for dinner?
Soda
Soda? What else?
and some chicken.
So we're giving chicken and juice.
Moi 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 moi. Cái nào moi 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 moi.